Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my 70s style dollhouse. Today I'm showing you the miniature nightstands and the accessories I've added to the bedroom. I'm starting with these vintage Lundby lamps. I found them on eBay for a great price. I chose them because their petite size and retro style fit this room perfectly. Now Lundby is 1/18 scale, which is smaller than the standard 1/12 scale. Their lights normally run on a 5-volt system, so I removed the original bulbs and replaced them with 12-volt bulbs. To wire them in, I removed the carpet, which I had only taped down with double-sided tape. Then I laid a new line of tape wire across the floor to the back of the room and connected it with brass eyelets. After that, I hooked up the lamps to the new tape wire. If you'd like to see every step of the wiring process in detail, I have a full tutorial linked below. With the lamps working, I set them on these nightstands that match the Moroccan headboard. Now for the fun part, the accessories. Most of these came from Etsy, and if you're interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll share the sellers. First, this tiny little plant, and I'll place that in the corner here. Then, this clock radio, and the detail is amazing. It has raised buttons and a speaker grill. On the other nightstand, I've added a little double picture frame with photos that I printed, a striped retro mug, and finally, a miniature Bible. This actually opens and has tiny readable text on the pages. And that's it. This part of the room is complete, and it's filled with the little details that make it look realistic and lived in. I'll be adding more furniture and accessories in upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching.